Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Click OK. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Change font settings. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Select a property. Press Delete. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Change the value of the property. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Double-click to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Press spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.